Okay, so this is going to be a quick kind of video on how to make the Williams here to get you started on some things. So let's start off here. I mean, not the Williams, this is the Stafford floor plan. So we're going to get started here, and we're going to make a complete set of drawings for the floor plans with these modifications. So we're going to choose well, here's some things. We need to place all dimensions later on. We're going to need to put in our interior walls that are 4 inches thick and our exterior walls that are 6 inches thick. Show all the major plumbing features and kitchen appliances, and then we're going to draw the work triangle later on. But that's the very last thing that we'll do. So we need to pay attention to a couple of things on here, right? And so let me see if I can make that a little bit bigger so we can see. Remember that these are 4 or 6 inches thick. Any wall that touches the outside is 6 inches thick, and any wall that touches the inside here like this, or inside there, they're going to be 4 inches thick. All right, so we're going to start by going to AutoCAD and start a new drawing. You guys might already be done this far already, so I'm going to start a new drawing. First thing I'm going to do is change this to top, and then I'm going to type in units, right? And when I type in units, I'm going to change this to architectural, and then change this to 00, okay? Then I'll probably, let's see, I'm going to change this from 3D modeling back to drafting and annotation. This will probably make it a little bit easier for everybody. All right, we'll close this because we don't need to worry about it for now. So now we're going to look at the layers here. Now, you know what? I can draw this doing 3D modeling. Let's do that because everybody's kind of used to that. All right. So we're going to go here and go to Layer Properties. Click on Layer Properties. All right, this will pop up. Click this button right here. This creates a new layer. And we'll create a new layer and call it Construction. And we'll change the color of it to yellow. And we'll just go ahead and check that. Double click on it to check it, and that becomes our current layer. You see that because it's up here, it's our current layer. Alright, so I'm going to close that. Then we'll go to Draw, go to Construction Line, and I'm going to pick one construction line. I'm going to click, say, horizontal, and I'll pick a spot right about there. Alright, so then when we look at that drawing itself, when you look at the paper, right, we see that this is 36 feet 1 inch off. Oh, there, right, from one side to the other. So if we go up, we're going to offset that. Offset, you can type in offset or click this right here. Click offset, and the distance we're going to put in is 36 feet 1 inch. All right, so you see right here, I put in 36 feet 1 inch and hit enter. And then I'm going to click this line right here. I'm going to go upward. I'm going to click that direction. Right click and enter. Now I can't see it. It's too long, so I'm going to just draw a quick line. Or it's too far out of the screen, so I'm going to draw a quick line and go straight up. So I got my ortho on. Hold on. So ortho's on, and I should be facing the upward direction. I'm just going to put in 50 feet and then hit enter. Then I'm going to hit escape with the mouse, double click the mouse wheel, and it should get those two things. So now you should have two lines that are 36 feet apart, right? All right. So we'll do another construction line. So we'll click that one. Do another construction line. This time we're going to click vertical, and it'll draw straight up and down the page, and we'll go somewhere right about here. Alright, so now we should be able to look at some things here we can figure out. So we should be able to click offset, and we're going to offset 6 inches, and click on this line and come this direction and offset that there. Alright, that should be good so far. Alright, so now the next thing we'll do is we're looking here, and this is 11 foot 2 and this one's 11 foot 2. So when we go over here, we're going to figure out that wall is 11 foot 2 off the inside of this one to right there, and then we'll go 4 more inches over. Alright, so let's click offset again. We'll click 11 foot 2 inches, type that in and hit enter. Select this line and come over there. And then we can click offset one more time and say 4 inches. And this is an interior wall, so we'll put that one there like this. All right. So now we've just decided that this part right here is that one room, or those rooms are on this wall. We can do a couple other things like offset, say 6 inches. Offset that, come from here and go down inward, go in towards the middle. So now we've established that the exterior walls are 6 inches, and it's right here. Now it could get confusing, but we're just going to say that this part right in here is the thickness of the wall, right? And we'll figure out some ways to trim that stuff up and fix it later on. All right, but for right now, I think I'm going to stop that video and post it for you.